Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This video is us sandblasting a log cabin in northern Vermont. We ended up sandblasting it with 60-140 glass media. Turned out great. We're trying to get the guys to do a little more recording during mobile blasting so we can put out more mobile blasting content. We do have a mobile blasting. With that YouTube channel, we put all of our mobile blasting content up there to where you can watch it instantly. Then when we pull it onto this channel, our powder coating channel, we have it premiered, so it's a little ways out. I think the last video we did is gonna premiere July 1st. I think we're putting them out every Wednesday. I think that's the goal. But we have a few cool things coming up. I purchased Electron E-Coat +3 Master powder coating machine. So once I get that, I will do some testing and comparison with that machine, with the X1 and the KKHD. I'm not sure if I should really do the KKHD because we already know that thing will not compare. So we already did that. I also just bought a dryer from Blast One. That's for our second trailer. We already have, we already have our wet blast trailer. We have our dry trailer. We're converting our wet trailer, our first one, Blast One, into a dry trailer. So that green pot I've showed you in previous videos, we'll put that on and we'll be adding that to it. So we have two trailers to run. So that's kind of exciting. We got that. Like I said, we did get the Electron. I don't know, my editor will pop it up on here, a picture of it up on here, I'm sure. So with that being said, I think we're about set. Please go to our other channel, subscribe. 86% of people that watch my videos do not subscribe, so please, please, please subscribe. We don't ask nothing from you guys. We do giveaways sometimes. Just looking for subscribe. We don't get paid for our YouTube, so. But I am going to try to get the guys better at recording so we can get some more content out, especially since we have editors now. We do have a couple sets of rims coming up over there on the floor and over there. With those rims, one of them is a buddy of mine, and he's actually going to come and powder coat his own rim, so that may be cool. We may be using a new system with that. We don't know, but once I get that, I will also do an unboxing too. So, okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed the other videos. Please comment. Let me know how you've been enjoying the videos, how you've been feeling about the editing. We do have two different people. We have one person that does the mobile blasting editing, one person that does powder coating editing. Do you notice a difference? Do you like one or the other? They're both great. I think they both do a great job. We did a little collaboration with SpongeJet. They came on site, and for any of you guys that are mobile blasting or sandblasting, it's actually sponges. So check out that video. Unfortunately, it is live over on our sandblasting channel right now. If you're gonna watch it on this channel, which is our powder coating channel, it will be coming out end of June. I think the 24th maybe. You'd have to look, but check out now. That's pretty cool shit. And when we're blasting with it, when we do interiors, we get a lot of dust. We're blasting with it and no dust. It's like particles, but no, check out the video guys. I will stop rambling on, enjoy the video, and I will see you on the next one.